Number 1. Every engineer has his duties. For example, third engineer is responsible for auxiliary diesel generators, bunkering operations, boiler, sewage system, fresh water system, and some other systems. But second engineer is responsible for main engines and steering gear. Also, he is responsible for engine room staff and all time must control to them safety work. At the same time, chief engineer is responsible for good working condition of all mechanisms in engine room and on deck. He is responsible for safety work and tidy filling all engine room logbooks and checklists. Number 2. Classification of diesel engines depends from various parameters, for example, speed, high speed, medium speed, slow speed, type of engine, 2-stroke, 4-stroke, cylinder arrangement, horizontal, vertical, V, radial. Number 3. On my last contract, I had 2-stroke V engines. It were high-speed engines Caterpillars. Power range 2131 to 2675 bhp. Speed range 1600 rpm. 4. Power of my engines was 2500 bhp. 5. Daily fuel consumption was 0.5 tons. 6. During my last contract I hadn't serious breakdowns, but I remember that I had alarm fuel leakage on auxiliary diesel generator, and I saw that one fuel pipe of cylinder number 4 has leakage. I stopped engine and made report to chief engineer. After then I changed fuel pipe of cylinder number 4. 7. Every 250 hours necessary to make changing of lubricating oil and change fuel filters and oil filters, and I make changing oil in reducers too, but yearly. Periodically need to check working of fuel injectors, I mean to make pressure test of each injectors. Also necessary to adjust clearances of suction valves and exhaust valves. I every day check condition with belts of pumps and generators and make inspection of cooling pumps, because sometimes pumps has leakage and needs repair of pump. Weekly need to check emergency stop of all engines.